Are you into marketing, sales, negotiations? Do you give presentations and make sales? Do you talk to the big group of people or small group of people, or are you a coach? Now, every one of you has to need to influence people. Now, my friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal, and I'm a certified hypnotherapist and NLP trainer, and I've created a very powerful course on hypnotic persuasion and influence using 20 powerful hypnotic words, 11 hypnotic phrases, and 10 language patterns to influence people. Now, how it works? These words are very powerful, these languages are very powerful, the patterns are very powerful. When you use this, when you are talking to the people or negotiating on sales, you give their mind into a subconscious mind a picture that is their own idea. They will change their idea to suit your sales and buy your products and take your services, because these sentences are so powerful. Words are hypnotic. So when you use these words, the person goes into a waking hypnotic trance. Now, this is the most powerful tool. The most top salespeople in the world use it. And now, my friend, I'm conducting a 21-day WhatsApp workshop where you can learn from home. It is 21-day workshop, and every day you will get a lesson. So 21 day means 21 working days. That means on Sundays you will not get a lesson. You will get a lessons where you will learn specifically. Now, important thing about this course is every day when you get a lesson, we will be explaining you the technique, giving you an example, and then you will create your own example and then practice those examples next day in your sales, marketing, or influencing or talking to the people. By the end of this course, once you do these exercises, you'll become a master persuader, hypnotic persuader, and able to make more money, more sales, influence more people, and get bigger deals. So, my friend, this is a powerful workshop starting on 10th of July. Now, important thing, my friend, just for a moment think about it. Once you have these powerful tools, when you can make people get into a light hypnotic trance, eyes open, waking trance, conversational hypnosis, when you use with them and they agree with you, they like you, they trust you more, they like to do business with you, and they like to buy your products. Will this not help you to make more money and become more successful in life? Yes, my friend, I am using it all the time, and you will also start using it. It's a very powerful tool, my friend. If you really want to become a master persuader, hypnotize people conversationally, influence them, make double or triple your sales, this is the course for you, my friend. So now the fee for this workshop is, normally I charge 7,000 rupees when I do a public program, but now it is physical workshop when we do, but we are not doing any physical workshop right now. This is a lockdown period. We are doing a workshop on WhatsApp. So you'll get lessons WhatsApp every day. You can practice if you own anytime. The fees is not 7,000 rupees, not 5,000 rupees, not even 3,000 rupees, not even 2,000 rupees. It is only 1,000 rupees plus GST. That comes to 1180. Only 1180 rupees, plus if you register soon and immediately, you will get a bonus worth rupees 5,000. That is my live recorded program on developing a rapport, so that you can make other people like you, trust you more. Only when you watch this video and start using those techniques, it will be as a bonus for you if you register right now. So, my friend, you can register right now using our Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay. You can transfer, send us the screenshot. We will put you into the main group. Now, if you want to use your credit card, use on my website link. There will be a pay you money button, pay you money button. But remember, my friend, at pay you money, only use your credit card. Don't use any other option. Your money may get stuck. So use only your credit card. If you want to use a credit card, use pay you money button. And if you are from out of India, you have to pay only $25. Our PayPal link is also there on the website, and send us a message. We send you a link. You can make the payment through enrollment through PayPal also. So, my friend, if you really want to supercharge your life, influence people and make more sales, more money, more commission, and negotiate people and make other people like you and trust you more. And when you use these words, life will change completely. So, my friend, enroll right now and see you on on WhatsApp. See you there. Thank you very much.